helping a user that wants to black out an entire row after clicking a checkbox. Their full post is that they're new to Sheets and wondering if there's a specific formula they can use for a pantry inventory with a checkbox column, hoping that when they click on a checkbox for that row, the row will be automatically striked out or blacked off. Is there a formula for this? Well, what there is conditional formatting that works perfectly here. Let's take a look. Now, the user did not provide their spreadsheet, so I made my own pantry inventory. I have items, categories, and then the quantity. As I understand it, they want to click on a checkbox and have all the data black out. So I'm going to go ahead and select the 3 columns we actually want the conditional formatting to apply to. Format, conditional formatting, and we're going to use a custom formula. One of the great things about using checkboxes for conditional formatting is that a custom formula needs to evaluate to true or false. Well, checkboxes already are either true or false. That is their states, which means that we can just reference the cell or the column directly. We don't have to use an if statement or anything else. I can just do equals. I'm going to use the $sign to lock it to always be column D. And let's start it at 1 so that as it goes down, it automatically iterates properly. We can already see that it's working because it's highlighted this row where I checked the box. All I have to do is change the color to black. That's it. This is going to work on any row that we select pretty easily. And if we unselect it, it undoes the conditional formatting. So this is really just an example of how awesome it is to have checkboxes that you're using for conditional formatting because they are already true or false.